How to use Flatex. Invest smart from day one. Flatex is a Germany-based online brokerage that offers low-cost trading for stocks, ETFs, bonds, and funds, mainly targeted at European retail investors. It's popular for its simplicity, zero-fee ETF savings plans, and strong regulation under BaFin. Go to flatex.com. Choose your country. Start your free registration. Use video identification to verify your identity. Link your SEPA-enabled bank account. Deposit euros with no fee. You'll usually see funds in 1-2 days. Use the Flatex web trader or mobile app. Search for stocks, ETFs, or bonds. View charts, data, and order options. You can use market, limit, stop, and trailing stop orders. Choose between different exchanges like Xetra or Tradeget. Watch for external fees, exchange or transaction costs. Regulated in Germany, with high investor protection. Free ETF savings plans from popular providers. Thanks for watching.